Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you Elon Musk's $6,789 tiny house finally hit the market. Everything you need to know here. Now you know me, I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. Enjoy watching and find this video helpful. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button, and I want to give a huge comment and share your thoughts about this video. Ever wondered what it's like to live in a house smaller than your garage? In today's video, we're diving into Elon Musk's jaw-dropping tiny house. From a billionaire's lifestyle to minimalist living, this futuristic home is redefining what luxury means. Stick around to see why the world's richest man traded mansions for just 375 square feet of pure innovation. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. 1. Features and amenities. Despite its compact size, the boxable casita comes equipped with essential amenities. The unit includes a full-size kitchen with modern appliances and ample storage space. A comfortable living area provides a versatile space for relaxation and daily activities. The bathroom features a large shower, toilet, and sink, optimizing the use of limited space. The casita's design prioritizes energy efficiency, incorporating high-quality insulation and climate control systems. Large windows allow for natural light, creating an open and airy feel within the compact structure. 2. Design. Musk's house's sleek exterior design features long-lasting, high-quality walls that are made to withstand harsh weather conditions and maintain its appearance. You can see the glass floor-to-ceiling doors that double as windows, making the design extremely modern and allowing natural light to seep through. 3. Bedroom. With built-in storage, this sleeping area also comes with a foldable Murphy bed that can sleep 2 people. It folds against the wall when it's not in use to preserve space and open up the bedroom area for other uses. The built-in storage is the perfect separator from the bedroom and living room, creating privacy. The storage space is big enough to hold clothing or other personal items. 4. Dining and kitchen area. The studio apartment-like home comes fully furnished with brand new appliances. The kitchen features dual sinks, an oven, a dishwasher, a faucet, a microwave, and a refrigerator. The area also includes a mini dining table that connects with a countertop along with barstool seating, making it easy to enjoy home-cooked meals. 5. Bathroom. You can assume the size of the bathroom in this tiny house is compact and closed in, and you're right. Contrary to popular belief, though, it has everything you would have in a standard bathroom. It includes a modern toilet, full shower, and sink. All amenities are strategically structured to fit in a small space while being functional and comfortable. 6. Innovative prefabrication methods. The tiny homes utilize advanced prefabrication techniques. Components are manufactured off-site in controlled factory environments, ensuring precision and quality. This approach reduces on-site construction time and minimizes waste. 7. LED lighting and efficient fixtures. LED lighting is standard throughout Tesla's tiny homes, significantly reducing energy consumption compared to traditional bulbs. These long-lasting lights provide bright, adjustable illumination while using a fraction of the electricity. 8. Mobility and versatility. Prefab tiny houses excel in mobility and adaptability. Many models can be easily transported on a standard trailer, allowing owners to relocate as needed. This flexibility appeals to digital nomads and those seeking a more fluid lifestyle. From downsizing to revolutionizing, Elon Musk's tiny house proves that sometimes less truly is more. What do you think? Could you embrace a minimalist lifestyle like this? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more mind-blowing insights into the world of innovation and design. Until next time, stay inspired.